Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make nano nails. What you will need is a base coat, a top coat, a white nail polish, and a blue nail art pen. The one I use is by Sally Hansen, so if you can get one of those, that would make it so much easier. So the first thing you want to do is start with your base coat. Just do one coat of that. Next, you're going to take your white nail polish and do one coat of that. The one I use is called Instant Pearl. Next, you're going to take your nail art pen, and the shade of this one is 11 Bright Blue. So you're going to start with your pen at the bottom left and press very gently to make a little circle. If you push too hard on this pen, it will just start leaking a whole bunch of nail polish everywhere and it will be a big mess. So right now we're just making the dots, and then after we are going to connect them. You want to line it up just like how I'm doing here. You have to connect them, and you just want to go very gently because if you push too hard, the line will become very thick. So you are now done your nano design. So you want to take your top coat and do a nice thick coat of that to protect your design. So that's all for the nano tutorial. It's very easy to do and I think it looks great. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more nail designs. If there's any crypto nail design that you guys want me to do next, please let me know down below in the comments and I will try to do the one you request. That's all for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.